Welcome to our Gimbal Showdown. Today, we're diving deep into the features and performance of two incredible smartphone stabilizers, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the hohem iSteady V3 Ultra. Both of these gimbals promise to deliver smooth, cinematic footage, but they cater to different needs and budgets. We'll explore their unique features, battery life, tracking capabilities, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT stands out as a budget-friendly option at just $115. In contrast, the hohem iSteady V3 Ultra is priced at $269, positioning it as a premium choice. This significant price difference reflects the advanced features and technology that the hohem offers, making it essential to consider your budget and needs when choosing between these two gimbals. Next, we look at tracking technology. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT utilizes basic face and gesture tracking, which relies on app functionality. This can be limiting for users seeking more reliable tracking. On the other hand, the hohem iSteady V3 Ultra features advanced AI tracking that operates independently of apps, providing seamless 360-degree tracking of subjects. This is a game changer for content creators who need flexibility and precision in their shots. Finally, let's discuss battery life. The AOCHUAN XPRO KIT boasts an impressive 12-hour runtime, making it ideal for long shooting sessions without the need for frequent recharging. In contrast, the hohem iSteady V3 Ultra offers a maximum of 9 hours of battery life, which, while still decent, may require more frequent charging during extended use. For those who prioritize long-lasting performance, the AOCHUAN may have the edge. In conclusion, both the AOCHUAN XPRO KIT and the hohem iSteady V3 Ultra offer unique advantages tailored to different users. The AOCHUAN is perfect for budget-conscious creators seeking essential features and long battery life, while the hohem provides advanced tracking and a premium experience for those willing to invest more. We hope this comparison helps you make the right choice for your filming needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content.